What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and I want to show you how you can make money with us here at Clean Biz Network by being a Clean Biz Network affiliate. And so, for those who are not aware, an affiliate basically just means that you sell other people's products and they pay you a commission for selling their product. Okay. So, what I'm going to show you how to do is make money with us by selling our products. So, basically, what you want to do is come here, add your name. So, I'm going to go ahead and put my name here, put my company name here. And then I'm going to put my company address. Then I'm coming down here and I'm going to use my PayPal email address. And I'm going to put in my phone number here. And then just going to click this box and confirm that you allow us to text you on that phone number. And then click Become Affiliate. And then from here, you should get a text message as well as an email instructing you on how to access your affiliate dashboard. Now, after you submit that form to become an affiliate, what's going to happen is you'll get a text and you'll also get an email that looks like this. It's going to let you know, hey, whatever your name is, thanks for signing up to the CBN affiliate program. You can access your affiliate portal by clicking this link. Okay, so go ahead and click on this link. And then it's going to take you to this login page. So if you go back to your email, you might say, well, what was my password? Well, if you go back here, you will notice that it told you here your login details are the same as your community/university login details, which may or may not be different than your CRM login. So be mindful of that. And if you don't know the password to your community, CBN community or university login, then you can simply click login with secure code. So go ahead and we can go back over here. And we're going to click in login with secure code down here. And just put in your email address. And then if you come back to your email address, you'll see that they're going to send you a code here to your email. So just go ahead and copy and paste that over. And I pasted that code over here. I'm going to click verify secure code. And now you can see you are inside of your affiliate dashboard. So if you look at the title of each campaign, there's different affiliate links for every campaign that you're inside of. So I got the in-house lead generation course here. This is my affiliate link for that. The Clean Biz Automation program, here's my affiliate link for that. I'll just click on copy that link if I want to share that link. And you can also customize your referral ID. If you think that's too long or something, you want to change something, you can just click on customize referral ID and change it. So if I want to change it from AJ Simmons, I can just change it to AJ. Well, right now it's AJ Simmons 8200. Let's just say I want to change it to AJ Simmons 1. I save that. And now that changes that one. And it just changed this link, not all of them. Okay, so be mindful of that. And you just copy this link and share it anywhere. And if anybody signs up through your link, then you will get the affiliate reward for that particular campaign. So for example, for this course, we have a 50% commission on it. For this particular automation program, we have a 20% commission on it. For a basic annual membership, 50%. For monthly membership, it's 50%. And then we also have a 30-day trial Clean Biz Network membership. It's still 50%, but just be mindful those first 30 days will be free to whoever you share this one to. We got the 10-10 program, which is 10%, and so on. So, and then as we have new affiliate programs, we will add you to them programs, or you just fill out the application again at affiliate.cleanbiznetwork.com, and it'll automatically update your links to add you to those new programs as we start to put out those new programs. Another thing that I want to show you that while you're here, definitely make sure you add your payout method, because we can't pay you if you don't tell us where to pay you. So you click set up payout method, and you want to click on add payout method here. And the only method of payment that we use to pay out affiliates is PayPal. So make sure you set up a PayPal account. You click on that and then attach your PayPal email address and you'll be good to go. Also, if you start to make over, I believe it's $1,200 or $600. I forgot what the taxes is, but if you make more than a certain amount per year, then we will need your W-9 form, a copy of your W-9 form, so that way we can send you a 1099 at the end of the year because you made over that income up threshold for us to be required to send you that. All right. Here, also in the dashboard, you can look at your sub-affiliates, which we don't do sub-affiliates, but that would just be if somebody was under you, but we don't do that. It's too much like multi-level marketing. You can also track your leads and customers. So somebody actually clicks on your link, you can see all of that information here, and the amount that we paid you, also the amount that you made, and the amount that we still owe you. All right. Your payment methods, again, that's the same page that we showed you when we clicked on that link. And then media, that will be if we decided to share any like promotional flyers, anything with you that you want to use, that so you can make a post inside of your social media and then paste your link so they can join as well. All right. So this would be where you go to access your affiliate dashboard once you sign up. And in order to get back here, anytime you want to log back in, you can simply go to the CRM, scroll down to affiliate portal, click on that, and it'll take you there. And then alternatively, you could also just go directly there without logging through the CRM by simply going to cleanbiznetwork.app.clientclub.net/affiliate. So for those looking to make money with us here at Clean Biz Network, this is the way you do it. I highly recommend you put your links in the description of your YouTube videos if you have a YouTube channel, on your social media posts if you ever want to promote, your cleaning business or how you're making money or growing with CBN's help. And if you ever tell anybody about us, text them your link, okay? This will probably be the main link that you will use, either the $99 per month, and then so that they use this one immediately when they sign up, it'll be $99 up front. Or you might say, hey, try it out for free, and if you like it, keep it. If not, cancel it. You can use this link. Those will probably be the top two. And then obviously you got the 10/10 program again. You got the basic membership, et cetera, et cetera. All right. So hopefully this video was able to help you, and I will be putting out more trainings on using your affiliate links to make money with us here at Clean Biz Network. Thank you.